So as you may have heard that Adobe Flash Player is no longer being updated for the device configurations and all that. Will not be for any Android device for alright. So see, it doesn't support it, but I am going to install Flash. So I have the HTC EVO 4G LTE, which used to support Flash. So if I reinstall Flash, I'm pretty sure my phone will be alright. So I just went to this website here. I'll post a link in the description. I already downloaded it. You just click this button here on the side there. So I already have it installed. So it's right here. So I'm just gonna move that up on the top there. Alright, so I'm just gonna get my cable. Gonna plug it into my computer. Plug this into my phone. Hold on. Alright, alright, there we go. Should be. Alright. Just gonna set that on me for right now. Right. I gotta see if it's in here. Yep. So I'll just copy my Adobe Flash Player and click and drag. This is going on my SD card. So I got Adobe Flash Player .apk on my phone. I'm gonna go to my phone, and I got this app called the Easy Installer, which searches through your SD card and looks for any .apk files that you might want to install. So I'm just gonna use that. And look at that, Flash Player. I'm gonna install it. Oh yeah, I gotta. Hold on. There we go. Install. Package installer. Just once. Previous user data will be saved. Alright. Adobe Flash Player 11.1. It probably won't update, but you're just gonna probably have to stick with 11.1. I don't think you can open it. And I don't know what this is. Apps that you can see, so I don't want the data tier. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna mess around with that. But hey, at least I got Adobe Flash Player on here. I'm gonna go so I can see that it is an app because it took up right here. Adobe Flash Player settings. Yeah, that's I'm not gonna mess around with that. It's a system app, so I'm gonna go into my oh yeah, I clicked on all. Alright. Okay, settings. And apps. There it is. Adobe Flash Player 11.1. Now we're going to test this and see if it works. I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to go to something else. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube.com, the regular YouTube. Well, this isn't the regular YouTube, so I'll go to desktop site. Sorry, on the video. Well, it didn't give me exactly what I wanted, but hey, at least we got Flash Player on here. So that matters. I think you're supposed to do something with this for it to work properly, I should say. So, Flash Player settings. Wait, what is this one? I don't want to fuck with that one. Alright, that's all there is to it.